Car insurance. What are three things you need to have for car insurance? Hi, my name is Eric Stevenson, and I'm an attorney at Stevenson, Klotz. Please join me as we explore automobile insurance and the different coverages people have. So, as a personal injury attorney, I get asked a lot of times, what sort of coverage should I have on my car? And when you go to buy auto insurance from the insurance agent, a lot of times most people are just simply concerned with, how do I get my car repaired? And in Florida, you don't actually have to have coverage to cover what happens if you hurt someone else in an accident, or what if they don't have enough coverage to pay for your injuries. So a lot of times people have just very little coverage when it comes to actual injuries that they have. And when you think about it, repairs to a car or replacing a car can usually be a lot less than how much it might be in medical bills if you're injured in a car wreck. Surgeries can cost a lot more than replacing a vehicle. And so it's really important that you cover yourself as far as medical bills and that sort of things are concerned. So I'm going to primarily talk about that. The first is in Florida, you have to have personal injury protection insurance. Everybody has to have $10,000 worth of coverage for that. That covers 80% of $10,000 worth of your own medical bills. So you want to make sure that you have that. But a lot of times medical bills are a lot more than that. And the other thing is you want to be a responsible driver. So the second thing that you need to have is bodily injury coverage. And what that pays for is if you hurt someone else in an accident, that pays for their medical bills. If you're responsible, and we all think, well, I'm never going to cause an accident, but unfortunately people do. And you want to be prepared for that, because what you don't want is somebody suing you and you not having enough insurance, and then the next thing you know, they're taking your house, they're taking money out of your bank account, they're garnishing your wages. So you want to make sure that you have enough coverage to cover if you cause an accident and hurt somebody else. But the other reason you want to do that is because you want uninsured motorist coverage. Because there are a lot of people out there on the road who don't have bodily injury coverage, or they don't have enough bodily injury coverage. So if you're in an accident and you don't cause the accident and you're injured and the other person doesn't have insurance, you want to make sure that you have enough insurance to be able to pay for your medical bills and for your injuries. But to do that, you have to have uninsured motorist coverage. And to have uninsured motorist coverage, you first have to have the bodily injury coverage, because your uninsured motorist amount is based upon bodily injury. So, in the event that you're in an accident and the other person isn't insured, you want to make sure you have uninsured motorist coverage to be able to pay for your accident and your injuries. To have that, you have to have bodily injury coverage. And in Florida, when you get auto insurance, you have to have personal injury protection. So the three things I would tell you need are personal injury protection coverage, bodily injury coverage, and uninsured motorist coverage. A lot of folks have questions about coverage. If you have any and you want to discuss further, give me a call. I'm Eric Stevenson. My number is 850-444-0000, and my email is eric@stevensonklotz. Thank you for listening.